Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Paw Patrol cake on request by my daughter. So let's get started.
I started out stacking the cake. This is red velvet cake and vegan American buttercream. I know it may seem like I'm making a lot of red velvet cakes lately, but I'm trying out some recipes. When I've got it just right, I'll share it with you. I frosted the cake and cleaned up the cake board. Then I rolled out some light blue fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my hands and trimmed off the excess with a sharp knife. I used this Paw Patrol cutter I bought online. It may seem like the easy way out, but this has several different colors, so I'll show you how to create it. I begin by rolling out some white fondant and cut out the outline. Now this cake is only a 4-inch cake, so I put the logo on top of the cake. If you're making a larger cake, it would work to put it on the side. Next, I rolled out some red fondant and pressed the form of the logo into it. This time, I just cut out the inner shield form. I also cut out a circle with the back of a piping tip, as well as 4 small circles with a small circle cutter. I manipulated the larger circle to be more triangular and arranged the smaller circles around it to look like a paw. Then I placed the red shield on the white, pressing in the logo to use as a reference point. Then I placed the paw on the side of the cake. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant. Pressed the logo into it and cut out the larger size of the word paw, as well as the paw shape with the circle cutters. I placed the paw onto the side of the cake first. Then I placed the word paw onto the logo. Then I rolled out some blue fondant. Pressed the logo into it and cut out another paw, as well as the smaller size of the word paw and the larger of the bone. Finally, I pressed another logo into it and spent a ridiculous amount of time cutting out the word patrol out of blue. Then I placed the word paw down and the bone and the paw shape on the side. Then I cut out a small bone shape out of white fondant, as well as a tiny paw to place on the A. I place the bone onto the logo and the tiny paw onto the A. Finally, I placed the tiny letters to create the word patrol. However, if you didn't know, there are 6 pups in the Paw Patrol, each wearing a different color. I wanted all the colors to be on the side of the cake and the paws. Red for Marshall, yellow for Rubble, blue for Chase, green for Rocky, orange for Zuma, and pink for Sky. I think this cake is cute. The logo turned out perfect, immediately recognizable, and all of the pups' colors on the side. Just what a Paw Patrol lover would love. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.